Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to pay in a store using your Tabby card. Before you can use it, you'll need to activate it. So start by opening the Tabby app on your phone and sign into your account if you haven't already. Once you're on the home screen, tap the shop or store section from the bottom navigation bar. There, you'll find the Activate for Store option. Tap it to enable your Tabby card for in-person purchases. After activation, the next step is to link your card to your mobile wallet. If you're using an Android device, add it to Google Pay. If you're using an iPhone, add it to Apple Pay. Simply follow the prompts inside the Tabby app and complete any verification if requested. Once your card has been added, you're all set to shop. Visit any store that accepts contactless card payments. Pick the items you want and head to the checkout. When it's time to pay, let the cashier know you'll be paying with a card. Open your digital wallet, choose your Tabby card, and hold your phone near the payment terminal to complete the transaction. When the payment goes through, your purchase will automatically be divided into 4 installments, which you can manage and pay through the Tabby app. And that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.